The commands for viewing the PCB are also very similar to the commands you use in the schematic. Let's explore them in this video. Ensure the PCB is the active document and that the 2D view mode is selected. Now, let's observe the behavior of the following view commands. From the menu, select View, then Fit Document, or press the shortcut keys VD in succession. The workspace view will zoom to fit all objects in the design. Next, select View, then Fit Board, or press the shortcut keys VF. The entire outline of the PCB will fit to the workspace view. You can zoom in by one step using View, then Zoom In, or the shortcut keys VI, or simply pressing the Page Up key. Each time the menu options or shortcut keys are used, the zoom will increase by one step. To zoom out, use View, then Zoom Out, or press the shortcut keys VO, or simply press the Page Down key. This will zoom out by one step each time the menu option or shortcut keys are pressed. You can zoom to fit a specific area by selecting View, then Area, or by using the shortcut keys VA and left-clicking to draw a rectangle diagonally. The view will adjust to fit the area within the drawn rectangle. You can focus on a specific area by selecting View or a round point, or by using the shortcut keys VP and left-clicking to draw a rectangle diagonally. The contents of the rectangle will be displayed with the zoom level adjusted accordingly. During this video, we explored different methods to navigate and adjust your view within the PCB layout.